You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the capital city of the Mexican state of Yucatan. If you want to learn more Mexican names and vocabulary, Spanish, stay tuned, there are more videos. Pronounced in Spanish, Mérida, that's the local Mexican pronunciation, Mérida. Stress on the first syllable, yes, there's an accent on the E, indicating where the accent goes. Mérida in English, therefore, it's pronounced as Mérida, Mérida. English pronunciation, Mérida. Spanish, Mérida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.